It's been almost 1.5 years, like I'm getting the benefit of rooftop solar. So I would say till date, I haven't paid like any electricity bill after the installation. Hey, good morning, guys. Tanmay Churi here, and I'm basically from Virar, Mumbai, Maharashtra area. So talking about rooftop solar, I was very excited to get it installed at my place, and I've been chasing a lot of companies taking their estimate on this rooftop solar. So it was in basically 2021 when I finalized to install the rooftop solar from Sun Edison company, which is now known as Phoenix Energy. So I have basically a 5 kilowatt system installed at my place, and during COVID time, like it took a bit of more amount of time for all the process to get completed, as I was opted for a subsidy based model. But finally, like all the inspection was done by end of 2021, and my system of rooftop solar was started in Feb 2022. So talking about the duration, like it's been almost 1.5 years, like I'm getting the benefit of rooftop solar. So I would say till date, I haven't paid like any electricity bill after the installation. So it's been almost 1.5 years now, wherein I am just paying the deposit amount, that is 100 rupees every month. Apart from that, I'm always generating excess amount of units with my rooftop solar. So talking about the previous bills, like normally during summers I used to get bills around 7 to 8,000, so sometimes 10,000 as well. And during normal winter and monsoon, I would say a bill would go somewhere around starting from 3,000 to 5,000. Wherein after that, I decided to go with the 5 kilowatt system, and that was basically suggested to me by the company itself, depending on the units consumed by me on monthly basis. And talking about the advantages is it's basically easy to maintain. Like I just need to clean the panels by water, and that too either once a week or maybe once in 2 weeks. And also solar panels come with a 25 years warranty. Also there is a warranty of 5 years with inverter. And one of the best part about Phoenix Energy is they schedule a service visit quarterly. So basically my system is getting inspected from their official every quarter, and if there are any issues related to any connections or anything related to panels or any sort of things, so that will be highlighted to me, and I get a detailed report from them on the inspection as well. So that is something really good from the company's service perspective. And apart from them, till now I haven't faced any issues related to rooftop solar, so no complaints so far. And just to add to this is as I saw after 6 to 7 months of time duration, I'm generating excess of electricity and excess of units, basically I would say. So I basically opted to use more amount of electrical equipments. Like I reduced my gas consumption and shifted to induction. So that basically helped me to save my money in terms of LPG cylinders. And also I've purchased an electric vehicle which has almost completed 26,000 kilometers right now, and that too I would say it's all completely without paying any bill, electricity bill. So that's a plus point for me. That is one biggest benefit I would say, which I got from this rooftop solar. And so to sum it up, basically I would say I have always recommended my family, friends, relatives, everyone, if it is possible for you guys to go for a rooftop solar installation, then please do go, because I have personally experienced the benefits which are evident.